I'm Aaron Fish and I'm a chef. And today, let's talk everything bagel. This is probably in my top 5 favorite blends that Spiceology makes. It's literally like everything bagel in a jar. Allegedly, when everything bagels were first created, they were making bagels in New York City. They were making onion bagel, they were making poppy seed bagel, a garlic bagel. And at the end of the day, they'd put these bagels on top of a roasting rack on a sheet pan. There'd be like a big mess of seasonings left over in the bottom. And so somebody decided to take that, mix it up, and put that on a bagel so they weren't wasting product. And now you've got this, right? I like to put it on avocado toast. I like to put it on pasta. I like to put it on eggs. I like to put it on, like anything, right? And I put it on top as like a garnish on some chicken, or it's so good because it's like a seed mix with like garlic and onion flakes in it, right? I'm Aaron Fish and I'm a chef.